Hi everyone, I've just done a video on cropping an internal shot of a building, so I thought I'd just have a little challenge where I've got 8 versions of this shot of Leeds city markets. So let's go. First one, the whole shot. Second one, Instagram likes square, so let's do a square crop. And in Lightroom, you just do that by setting the aspect ratio here. You got all the different things, you know, common ones like 10:8, 3:2's what comes out of my camera, and there's a square one. So that's one version. Let's do a street level version. Ooh, sometimes I will accidentally twist it, so if we did a nice shot like that, this would work on maybe a Facebook header. Yeah, that's 2. How about just a tall, thin central one like a bookmark? What I want to do, I want to line up that little mark there with the centre of the building, so I know it's in the middle. Pop it back up. There we go. We've got a nice middly shot. One of those diagonal sort of looks. Remember, these are really big photos, so you can be quite savage with your crops. What else can we do? Maybe literally just, whoopsie daisy, rotating it by accident again. You just want the door. Might be a little bit pixelated there. What else can we do? Starting to sweat a bit now. I reckon just the top, if you want to show off the actual architecture rather than the commercial use of the place, would look quite cool. And finally, ooh, the 8th one. What have we got on the floor? No, that's not so great, is it? So in that time, we started off with the full thing, a square crop, a nice wide banner, tall thin middle piece, down one side, just the door, the beautiful roof architecture, and for want of anything better, a bit of the road, which I might just change. Actually, it's not the best, is it? So if you get a bit stuck, you can always hit the reset button here. So you can put a bit of copy down this side. So that's how you can sort of quickly crop things in Lightroom.